Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Zana Syahidah Bati Zakaria. My metric number is 272059. So I'm gonna explain about the benefit of the convention to the Malaysia. First, enhance the image of the destination. It is said because it is a focal point of various countries. Second, economic benefit for destination and communities. When foreign country come to Malaysia for convention, it can open up a job opportunity for them. Communities can supplement their daily income to cover their living expenses. The convention, it also open up opportunity in employment, marketing, infrastructure, and service quality as a result of the exchange of opinion and ideas. From there, each gain new knowledge from various countries. It also contribute in the national economy due to the number of visitors to the destination. Everyone from various countries increase national income because they spend their money on our local product and service. The impact of COVID-19 pandemic to the meeting, incentive, convention and event exposition and ICE industry. First is conference and meeting are taking place online. The shift to this format entails the right combination of technologies, staging and production skill, strong support from sponsor and participant interests. Moreover, event managers must also be able to provide an immersive and engaging experience using technologies that will try to replicate human interaction. Second is about strict procedures. For example, such as imposing travel restriction, border control, involuntary quarantine, and COVID testing requirement before and after travel, as well as quarantine measure imposed by the government. These complicated procedures have resulted in the collapse of tourist MICE as the industry relies on strong collaboration between stockholders across the supply chain. This is because both the public and private sector play an important role in the design, production, staging, and management of MICE event. Event management difficulties. This is due to the fragmented nature of MICE, which is a major challenge in producing and managing events smoothly with minimal disruption along the value chain. Unfortunately, NPI COVID-19 resulted in greatly reduced profit and revenue temporarily, or permanent closure and of business and bankruptcy of some tourist-related enterprise. After that, cancellation, postponement of trade fair, exhibitor and organizer. Therefore, the organizer of meeting and convention who were unsure about guarantees for the safety of participants decided whether to cancel, postpone, or reschedule or change the venue of their meeting. This situation will result in a decline in industry performance if cancelled or delayed, while in terms of its impact on the global economy, loss of full-time equivalent employment and can also occur. The way new common practice are implemented to the MIC industry. First is number limit. Limit the number of delegates, participants and visitors based on 50% the capacity of the premise accessible with physical detection is subject to the suitability of the venue to comply with the physical detection. Use of equipment and regulatory capability with the arrangement of individual physical detection 1 meter and arrangement of both chair and table at least 2 meters from each other. Second is about My Sejahtera application. Download and register My Sejahtera apps into a mobile phone for close contact tracking. Everyone is required to register and download My Sejahtera application for use before entering the premise. If they don't have the apps, they will need a name and phone number. Then has screening. Place permanent staff to perform body temperature screening with temperature scanners and COVID symptom screening such as cold, sore throat or short breath on a daily basis on delegates, participant, visitor, employees, and ensure they scan My Sejahtera QR code, wear face mask and hand sanitizer before entering the toilet. Then they are also required to perform a body temperature check for each employee, contractor, vendor and suppliers who provide service to the MICE organization and delegate before being allowed to enter the premise. If there are individuals who have a temperature 37.5, they are not allowed to enter the premise and need to seek treatment at a health facility. Then hand sanitizer. Organizer must provide temperature gauge and hand sanitizer at the entrance and exit of conference hall, meeting room, convention center, as well as all public area and others area around the program premise. Then every visitor and employee have to clean their hand using a hand sanitizer before dining at the counter and at the main entrance. The way new normal practice are implemented to the MICE industry is about dine-in and pack food, takeaway, serve buffet. Restaurant or cafe mean on the premise are only allowed to operate for dine-in, pack food, takeaway, serve buffet service by complying with physical confinement and limiting the number of visitors at any one time. Arrangement between a dining table and chair should be spaced within 2 meters or more, and for queue and waiting area 1 meter or more. Other than that, cleaning and disinfection. The process of sanitation and cleaning of MICE program location is implemented before, during, and after the program, especially in all areas of common use facilities of convention center and exhibition hall. In addition, the operator must perform the cleaning and disinfection process at least 3 times a day for every 1 hour for area with a high visitor index. Then briefing to exhibitors. A briefing to the exhibitors was given a day in advance on the handling of the exhibition program, flow and movement, as well as safety measures to be taken before, during, and after the exhibition as an initial precautionary measure.